Hello and welcome to the lecture. So we have the RESTful services defined now, and we learned how we can make use of that API and get the results through the SQL statements, right? But these are very static, and for that API we would be getting the same result if you are doing these services. But there is a case that you want to define some SQL statements dynamically and you want to run it and get the results, and for that we have a service in the Oracle that is called the REST Enabled SQL Services. So this REST Enabled SQL Services is something that takes the SQL statements and we have to use the post request, and that would return the results of that SQL statement in the form of JSON. So this makes a great advantage that you can make the data more accessible over the REST, and there's a very advantage here. You can just get any data by using this service through remotely, and that's why this is a major advantage in Oracle Apex as well. And we will see that more, how to call that and how to use that in Oracle Apex and through other tools like the CURL and the Postman in the coming lectures.